So as per the medical device rule, the licensee must comply with the several key conditions to maintain the validity of their license and to ensure the regulatory compliance. Let's go through them one by one. Condition 1. Produce license on and request. First, the licensee must be produced whenever requested by the medical device officer or any senior officer under the control of a CLA or the SLA by the CDSCO. This will ensure that the license is verifiable at any time during the inspection or the audit. Condition 2. Report regulatory actions. Next, if any administrative action is taken against your medical device in any of the countries such as the market withdrawal, the cancellation, the regulatory restrictions or the adverse reaction, you must inform the licensing authority within 15 days. This applies if the device is declared as not of standard quality by any regulatory body. Condition 3. Stop marketing such affected device. When I say stop marketing, it means you are not going to place your medical device into the territory of any country. In such cases, the authorized agent must immediately stop the dispatch and marketing of the devices in India. No further sale should take place until the direction are received from the authority. When I say authority, it means the CLA or the SLA. Condition 4. Follow the CLA directions. The Central Licensing Authority, after reviewing the information, may issue a direction regarding the sale, distribution or withdrawal of the devices from the Indian market within period it specifies. Condition 5. Prior approval for the major change. So my friends, you must be knowing that whenever your products go through a certain changes, which could be either a major or the minor, you need to inform a specific authority later than the CDSCO. So let's speak about the major change. Before making any major change listed in the 6th schedule, the authorized agent must seek the prior approval from the CLA. The authority must approve or reject the request within the 60 working days. If no response is received within that time, the change is considered deemed to be approved. So I hope it's clear. Now let's talk about condition 6, when the product will go under the minor changes within 30 days. So for the minor changes, the licensee must inform the CLA within 30 days after such changes take place. Condition 7. Report change in manufacturer or the agent. If there is any change in the consideration over the overseas manufacturer or the authorized agent, that must be informed in writing to the CLA within the 30 days. So I hope so far we have discussed total 7 conditions and you are able to understand. Now let's speak about the condition number 8. Invoice with every consignment. Every consignment of medical device must be accompanied by an invoice or the statement. The statement could be the COA or whatever, showing the name and the quantity of the devices. Condition 9. It should include the user manual. The licensee must ensure the device is supplied or offered for sale along with its packet insert or the user manual wherever applicable. The word is applicable. Condition 10. In case of non-conformity and will recall, if the CLA finds that the medical devices does not conform to the provision of the acts or the rule, it can order that the entire batch or even the multiple batches must be recalled from the market, including the hospitals or wherever the stocks will be maintained. What will happen in doing this? This will ensure that the patient safety will maintain the regulatory standards. So what we have discussed so far, let's quick relook on the summary. Produce license on the request, report adverse action within 15 days, stop marketing such affected devices, follow CLA directions, seek approval for any changes, whether the major or the minor, notify such changes to the manufacturer or the agent, include invoice user manual, recall if the device is not compliant. So these are the conditions every license holder must comply with under the MDR 2017. Following this not only ensure compliance but also will build the regulatory trust and the market credibility.